Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how the valve lapping tool works. I will also show how you can make it more durable and how you can repair it. So as you can see, the drill rotates in one direction while the valve side rotates back and forth. But how does it work? Well, the mechanism is pretty simple, so let's disassemble this tool. First, we need to peel the sticker off here and here. Now we can access the screws, so let's unscrew the cover. Okay, so as you can see, the mechanism consists of input shaft with a pin on the crank, output shaft also with a pin on the crank. Here's the output. And a slider connecting those two pins. Here we also have an additional pin around which the slider swings. So by rotating the input shaft, we swing the slider, which then rotates the output shaft back and forth. As you can see, the slider is a plastic part, so all you can do is to put additional grease. In my case, new tool had only small amount of light oil, and also you shouldn't exceed allowed RPMs, because due to the friction and heat created by it, the plastic part may fail. In case your slider is broken, I've prepared 3D model of it, so you can 3D print or manufacture it using different technique. You can find the download link in the description. I hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.